This 2024 Newmar New Aire 3543 is a diesel pusher RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This new Newmar is 35 feet 10 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, Omni Decor, Mink Rift Oak Cabinetry, HG interior, sleeps 2, leveling jacks, LP detector, stovetop burner, slideout, air conditioning, smoke detector, TV antenna, TV, awning, self-contained, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this diesel pusher features couples coach, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2024 Newmar New Aire 3543 is built on a Spartan K2 chassis and is powered by a Cummins L9 450 HP engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.